Well, apparently there's another elevator at the Rockingham Park in Salem, New Hampshire. And I think it's right here. Yep, here it is. It's a Schindler. Oh, wow! Schindler HT. Awesome. Hello? Door closed does not work. Here we go. Hi, Joe. Yeah, this is my very first Schindler HT vandal resistant elevator. Yeah, this is cool. I'm gonna sample the chime. Coming up.
My hair, fluffy.
Have a nice day, you guys.
Thank you. Oh, this way.
Are you guys coming down too?
I haven't been here in a long time.
Coming down? Have a nice day, you guys.
Thank you.
$2,014. 3,500 pound capacity. Yeah, I'm gonna sample the bell again if there's no one waiting. Alright, see if we can rig it. No, you can't. Anyways. There it goes. That's it.